Hi teacher, today me and my friend Adrian we are going to talk about this animal named bird of paradise. First, let's talk about the datasheets. His common name is bird of paradise and his scientific name is Paradiseidae. Now let's talk about the dimensions. His dimensions are 39 inches and their weight is 50 grams to 450 grams. They can live to 5 or 8 years and they have 7 colors: brown, grey, yellow, red, blue, white and green. Now my friend Adrian is going to talk about the habitat.
The Republican bird of paradise inhabits mainly highly forest, usually at elevation of 300 meters, although they are seen in lowland jungles and high forests up to 1,200 meters. Now I'm gonna talk about the jaw-dropping facts. The denomination of the Southern Hemisphere constellation represents a bird of paradise. A feathered adult male bird of paradise appears on the flag of Papua New Guinea. The various members of the family were profiled by David Attenborough in Attenborough Paradise.
Now let's talk about the diet. This animal is omnivore, which means they can eat plants and animals. But their favorite food is insects, because they have a lot of protein and they can grow beautiful and stronger. Now he's going to talk about the map and description.
The birds of paradise are family of the birds of the order Passeriformes, which are distributed throughout Oceania, Eastern Australia and Papua New Guinea.
Now, finally, let's talk about the reproduction. First, let's talk about the mating season, that is in spring. Now, we are going to talk about the dimensions of the baby, that are 50 grams and they are very, very small. They can hatch in 2 or 3 weeks. And the offspring number is 2 or 3 eggs. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Bye!
Bye.